Hi, all my dear munchkins. I hope all of you are doing well. So today we are going to learn about computer keyboard. So we all know that a keyboard is the part of the computer. It has many buttons and the buttons are known as keys. As well as a keyboard has different types of keys. They are number keys, alphabet keys and special keys. We can write on a computer with the help of these keys or buttons. And writing on a computer is called typing. So here you can see on-screen keyboard, which is little bit different from the real keyboard or off-screen keyboard. But still, let us see the keys of the keyboard. So first we are going to start with the number keys. So the keys having numbers from 0 to 9 written on them are called number keys. The number keys allow us to type numbers. Okay, and number keys are present above the letter keys. So let us see how the number key appears. So let us click over here numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. So this is how the number key appears on the screen. My dear children, now let us learn about alphabet keys. So what are these alphabet keys? The keys having alphabets A to Z written on them are called alphabet keys. As you all know that there are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard, and the alphabet keys help us to type letters and words. But the alphabet keys that you see on the keyboard are not arranged in the alphabetical order. As you can see, all the letters are jumbled up. It is not in the sequence that you have read, like A, B, C, D, so on. So now, let us see how the alphabet key appears on the screen. So let us take on one word. Suppose let us see typewriter. So the typewriter is the longest word, okay, that can be made using the letters from the single row of the keyboard. You can see there are 3 rows of alphabet keys. This is row 1, this is row 2 and this is row 3. So on the first row itself, you can see the word typewriter. And the word typewriter is one of the longest word. So now let's get started with the word typewriter. So T, Y, P, E, W, R, I, T, E, R. So on the first row you have seen this word. So there are 3 rows of alphabet keys on the keyboard. So children, now let us learn about special keys. So what are special keys? The keys that do special functions or special work are called special keys. Some of the special keys are like space bar key, enter key, backspace key, delete key, etc. So we are going to learn it about all the special keys one by one. So first we will see space bar key. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. The space bar key is used to insert blank spaces in between 2 words. For example, to type, suppose keep smiling, first we will type keep, then we will press space bar, then we will type smiling. So please focus on the screen. Let's take, for example, K E P. Keep. Space bar. Smiling. S M L I N G. Keep smiling. So, to type keep smiling, first we have typed keep. After that, we have pressed space bar and then we have typed smiling. So, here the word is keep smiling. And this is the use of space bar key. Now, let us learn about the next special key, that is enter key. The enter key is used to start the text from the new line or next line. Usually a keyboard has two enter keys. Okay, you can notice the enter key is of the shape this one. Just have a look. Okay, arrow pointing left. This is the shape. Okay, just see where my cursor is highlighting. This is the shape of enter key. Okay, so let's see one example. For example, to type words hello everyone on different lines, we will type first hello, then we will press enter, then we will type everyone. So let's see how it looks like. On the first line, we will write hello. And on the next line, we will press enter to write everyone in the next line, that is in line number 2. We will press enter. After pressing enter, you can see the cursor is on second line. Here we will write everyone. Okay, so this is the use of enter key. So enter key is used to write the text from a new line or next line. Now we are going to see the use of backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase the wrong letters or numbers if we make a mistake while typing. Backspace key helps in erasing the letters to the left of the cursor. So let's see one example. Suppose while writing you make a mistake. The word is keyboard, okay? K-E-Y-B Oh, so here we have make a mistake, right? Here you can see here we have make a mistake. So the correct word will be K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, isn't it? But here we have typed the letter F after B. So to remove the letter F, what we need to do is we need to place the cursor after it and then we need to press the backspace key. So let's see. Just press the cursor over here. Okay. And then press backspace. So backspace helps to remove the mistake to the left of the cursor. And you can see the cursor is to the left of O. Okay. So we need to remove F. So here we will press backspace. So you can see the correct word now. The letter F has been removed and you can see the correct spelling of keyboard. So this is the use of backspace key. Dear children, now we are going to see the next special key, that is delete key. The delete key is also used to erase the wrongly typed letters or numbers, just like backspace key. The delete key helps in erasing the letters to the right of the cursor. So let us take an example and see the use of delete key. For example, let's take suppose flower. So let's see flower. So here what is the mistake? The mistake is, you can see the mistake, right? So by mistake, we have typed the letter G after W. So to remove the letter G, we need to place the cursor before it and then we need to press the delete key. Okay, so let's see how. So just bring the cursor after W. Okay, now you can see the cursor is after W. And then just press delete key from your keyboard. See, now the letter G has been removed and you can see the correct spelling of flower. So this is the use of delete key. Dear children, now let us learn about caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to typing capital letters. Okay, suppose you want to write any word or any sentence in capital letters, at the time you can use the caps lock key. Let's see, for example, just before starting, just press on caps, then start typing. Suppose we will type over here, computer. You can see all the letters are appearing in capital letters. So caps lock is used to type in capital letters. So this is the use of caps lock key. Before you start typing or writing, just press the caps lock key and then you can type or write with the help of caps lock key so that the words can appear in capital format. My dear children, now let us see the last special key, that is arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor left, right, up and down. Arrow keys are also called cursor control keys. There are 4 arrow keys. So let us see. The first one is right arrow key. So just press right arrow on the keyboard and you can see the cursor is going to the right side. It is moving the cursor to the right. Okay, this is going to the right side. And if you press left arrow key, you can see the cursor is going to the left side. See, it is going to the left side. Now let us see down arrow key. If you press on down arrow key, you can see the cursor is moving towards down. Now let us see the up arrow key. If you press on up arrow key from the keyboard, you can see the cursor will go towards up. It will move the cursor up. So there are 4 cursor control keys: up, down, left and right. Thank you.